Yes, good girl. Good girl. Very good. That was awesome, baby. Ready? Find it. That's where it was this morning, exactly. Yep, find it. Yay, good girl. Good girl. Here it is, see? You haven't learned to go up yet, so I'm going to give that to you. Good job. Good girly girl. Find it. Sorry, I keep kicking that rake. Breeze is blowing in off the river. Okay, find it, baby. Good girl. Good girl. That's very good. Very good. What a good girl. Yes, that was awesome. Yay! Good job. Good job. You know, all that stuff in your whiskers. Okay, I'm not sure you can find the next one because it's not birch. Come on, find another one. It's right there on the end. You already found the one over there. There's another one more. Yay! Good girl! Look at you, you're so smart. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. That's right there. Yes, it wasn't even paired or anything. What a good baby. You're a good girl. Very good. That's very good. That's very good. Let's go around and find the one on the door again. Come on. You go show me where the other one is. You find it for me. Yeah. You smarty. You are smarty. Here you go. Up here. You are smarty.